So today is day 4 of my recovery. On my day of surgery, I felt so comfortable. When I got in, I met with Shannon, the nurse, and she took all my stats. We filled out the report. She did my IV. She made me feel really comfortable. We joked around. Shannon is the best. Then Dr. Stile came in and spoke to me and told me the whole game plan that we were gonna do. You know, he reassured me everything was gonna turn out fantastic, and he gave me a big hug. The very next day after surgery, so day 1, I did a hyperbaric oxygen therapy treatment. So that's a fully enclosed chamber that you lay in for recovery. So what that does, it brings oxygen to your red blood cells, to your tissues, and it helps renew blood vessels, among many other things, such as helping cellular turnover for white blood cells to help fight off infection. It has this whole array of health benefits and can speed up your recovery by 75%. So I have that tool at my disposal here. So I did that the very next day. I got my packing out of my nose done yesterday, so day 3. Yesterday, I also did session 2 of the hyperbaric chamber, which I do credit as helping to definitely take down the swelling and the bruising under my eyes, because I do see a significant difference from yesterday to today. We carry these 2 products, so we carry the Alastin Reform and Repair, and then Silogen, the brand, just came out with a product that does something similar. So they have the, what is it called? The Bruise Recovery Gel is what theirs is called. So it does the same thing. You start using it 2 weeks before surgery, and it's supposed to cut down on the bruising. So I did an experiment where I used on my right side the Alastin Reform and Repair, and on my left side, I used the Silogen Bruise Recovery Gel. And so how that turned out, I found out that the Reform and Repair, I did have less bruising, less swelling, so on my right side, and still you can see it's apparent. I did have more with the Silogen, but I do feel like both products worked very well. They're 2 different price points, but we offer them both here. So it was a fun experience to see how they compare to each other, because not a lot of people have this opportunity to do so. So I have that. I got my packing out done yesterday, so now I can breathe again, which I am very thankful for. Dr. Stile retaped the tip of my nose to give it a little bit more support, and I'm just really excited to see the results as the swelling continues to go down.